at the LKQ Clearwater junkyard for cars. Came here to get a motor on a Hyundai Sonata for my dad's window motor. This one, that door handle actually feels pretty good. So I'm here. I found a car. It's 2006 Hyundai. I've checked the car and make sure it's not going to fall. That's the first thing you do when you get in here. This thing you need a smaller screwdriver for. And get off. I almost got it. There it is. One screw. I got some practice on another car before this one. And I pulled this motor here. You see, looks like it's already been marked for being used. I'd rather get a genuine motor. We got no cap off. There's usually a cover on this plastic here. They don't really take too much to get out of them. Okay, so there should be 2 screws under here, if you can see them. We got this cover too. Awesome. Get that out of the way. Ooh, popped right off. These things break easy. Might actually have a good handle there. It feels pretty good, but when I pulled off, my dad's broken too. All right, I didn't need to take that off anyway. All right, so normally I would get this thing out of my way. It's not too much annoying. Got this. Yeah, you get these Torx bits. All right. See, that motor looks like a genuine motor. Might want to unplug that too, right? It's hard to get your fingers in here. You pinch it and it'll come out. Come on. There we go. There goes my Torx bit. Don't want to lose that. I feel more comfortable buying this one than the other one. Just because it had markings like it was a used part when they bought it. Just yank it. Alright, that's it. I mean, that looks like a decent motor. I won't know until I plug it in. Oh, it's the same freaking brand. It's the same brand as this one. Haha. This one's actually newer. This one looks like it's in better shape though. I don't know why, just because of markings. So, I decided I'm going to take a gamble on this one. If I need this one, I know where it is. I'll come back and get it. Here we go. Alright, so I got this off. I'm going to show you the meter. We're going to put a meter on this. It doesn't really matter which way you go. Orange, I believe, is hot. Yellow is ground. Should be. I don't know. I'm taking a guess here. It's a 50-50 guess. So I'm looking down here. Gonna hit the thing. You see it goes. Wow, it goes up pretty high. 18. And it'll go the opposite way when I hit it the other way. It'll be a negative and then positive. Gives you different polarity. So I'm not really diagnosing the motor itself. I'm just diagnosing that I'm getting power to it. It's not working. A good chance it's the motor. You know what I could do? I could try the motor. I could try the motor before. Could try the motor before I do it all, right? Let's see. Let's see this. You see? Oh, it's working, yep. So it is a motor. There we go. Alrighty then. Ready to put this puppy in. Oh, there's you can see there's 3 different screws for this. This thing doesn't pop right in there. I don't want to ruin this thing, because then I gotta go to the junkyard and get the regulator too. It was in there before. That's not even cool. Something is not lining up here. There, we got that lined up. Might be better to put that in first. Right, there you go. Got me worried like I did something there. I'm not an expert mechanic. I've been trained, but I haven't done every job in the world, so just letting you know. Just try to be helpful. Okay, let's try this window now. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! Awesome. I am back. I had to go to the junkyard. I pulled me another handle, so better do this one first. Better to do this one first. Be careful, because this is plastic that can snap. Okay, I got that. Piece of cake. I need to put my head back so the camera can catch everything. You might not be seeing what I'm seeing. Now, this thing fits. And the motor works. Piece of junk. After 14 years they get bad. That goes on after. That goes on after. That just pops right on. Pop, pop. Right. I'm just taking my time, I ain't rushing. This goes here, like so, the other way. You can almost expect on a Hyundai, the car's over 14 years old, that the handles are going to break soon. Okay, I found some. I got that one there. All right. Let's just make it look pretty, right? So I need a big screw for this one. Like I said, you gotta make sure the camera is aimed right. Good. It's good, no? Can you see that? I have no idea what that looks like upside down. I won't know until I look at the video. And there's one more right here. Okay, it's snug. Here's the other handle that broke on me. That was for the back seat. That's what started this all. So I got new handle. Let's try it out. And the window, I'll show you the window that works. Don't want to pay no royalties for music here. Okay, the window is working great, so the motor's in. And the door handle is good. Door handle works great. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the Phenomena channel. Dave Smith here.